Okay, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, yes. Good morning. So today we will be solving first the quiz last meeting by checking it for maybe 10 minutes. So anyone kung sino pa po ang hindi natatapos, meron pa ba? Ang hindi natatapos sa quiz number 18? Again, that is a complete solution po ha. So kung hindi nyo pa natatapos o nalalagyan ng complete solution, meron pa kayong chance para sa 5 minutes na activity. Okay, I'll be giving you 5 minutes para ma-finalize ang mga questions and apat lamang po ang sagutan out of 6 ata na questions doon. Sa link na binigay ko last time, apat lang po ang sasagutan doon. Okay, tapos 5 minutes is given to you so that you could be able to finalize and make some corrections with your answers. Okay, your time starts now. 5 minutes. Tapos sa mga nakatapos na po, please type done on the chat box so that I will know. That is quiz number 18, complete solution. Okay lang po Astral, apat lang po ang piliin nyo. So pili ka lang ng apat dyan na checkan natin. Yung tama. So marami na pong nakatapos. Recognizing the attendance, we have Agileo, Angel, Asnya, Astral, Carl, Ayan, Jan, John Michael, and Matthew. So wait lang tayo sa others para maka-answer sila. 2, 4, 5. So 5 pa lang po ang nakakasagot. So complete solution po again ha. Recognizing the attendance, we have Pearl and John Largo. So again, yung quiz number 18 po natin kahapon, pakisagutan po. You are given 5 minutes to finalize your answer to those who came in late. Then type done if you're done. Then we will check after 5 minutes. Okay, last 2 minutes. Okay, time's up, time's up, time's up. It's already 5 minutes. So we will check your quiz number 18. So let's open first the board wall wherein the questions are posted. Then we will solve it in the whiteboard. So for number 1, my number 1 might not be a number 1 of you. So pwede siyang maging number 3 sa inyo or number 4 or number 5. So just follow the numbering you have and I will follow the numbering that I have. Okay? So 5 points po para sa correct and 2 points naman po para sa incorrect. So let's do the checking now. For number 1, this is the given. Just give me 30 seconds so that I could open it properly. Okay, you must have your complete solution for you us to give a score of 5. So for number 1, here is the given. We have 5x equals 30 where x is equals to 6. So in 5x equals 30 where x is equals to 6, what is your answer here? Is it true or false? Type your answer in the chat box, please. Is it true or false? False daw po from Angel, Asnya. We have true. Pearl, we have true. Carl, we have true also. Matthew got it true. So let's reveal the answer. So in this case, lahat po ng variables nasa left side, while lahat ng numbers nasa right side. So i-divide lang natin immediately kasi nasa tamang lugar naman siya. So, oops, mali po ang ginawa ko. So 5x equals 30. Ang x daw po, palitan daw ng 6. So 5 times 6 equals 30. So 6 times 5 is 30. Is it equal to 30? Yes, it's true. So the answer here is true. So again, 5 points for the correct one with solution po ha. Then 2 points naman po sa incorrect. Okay, what if wala kayong solution? Naglagay lang kayo ng true and false. Sa 2 points lang kayo nabilong. Pero kung merong solution naman, tapos tama, true pa talaga ang sagot, then it's 5 points. Okay? So, very good. Next, let's proceed now to number 2. For number 2 question, we have next, for number 2, we have 2x minus 5 equals 13. 2x minus 5 equals 13, where x is equals to 4. In this case, papalitan daw natin si x ng 4. What is your answer here? Is it true or false? False from Matthew. Pearl, Angel, false. Carl, false. The others, Asral got it false. So let's reveal, Asnya got it false also, and Zid is false. So 13, palitan doon natin ng 13 si x. So 2 times 13 minus 5, is it equal to, I know rather, not 13 but 4. Is it equal to 13? Yan nga po. So 2 times 4, that is 8, minus 5, is it equal to 13? 8 minus 5, that is 3. Is 3 equal to 13? Of course, no, that is false. So the statement here is false. 3 is not equal to 13. Very good. Marami pong nakatama. 5 points for ang correct with solution. 5 points. Kapag walang solution, 2 points lang po. False ang answer. Okay, false po ang answer. Recognizing the attendance, we have Zid and Demi-Faye. Okay, next. This is false. Number 3. Number 3 is 6x minus 10 equals 8, where x is equals to 3. Allow me to erase this one in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, next. We have 6x minus 10 is equal to 8, where x should be equal to 3. Let's find out what is your answer in number 3. True from Matthew. Angel got it true. Asya, Asral, true also. Card, got it, true also. Pearl is true. Wala pong nag-false, lahat po nag-true. Okay, let's reveal if it is correct. Where x is equals to 3, so 6 times 3 minus 10 equals 8. 3 times 6 is 18 minus 10. Is it equal to 8? So 18 minus 10, that is 8, is equal to 8. So that is true. So therefore, the answer here is true with complete solution, 5 points. Okay? So apat lamang po ang sagutan. What if 5 ang nasagutan mo? Pili ka lang ng tama doon. Okay? Next, let's have the next question. This 7x plus 5 equals 9 and x equals 4 over 7. Okay. What is your answer here? Hindi po lahat nakasagot nito. Hindi po lahat nakasagot niyan. Ang iba wala, ang iba meron. So we have 7x plus 5 equals 9. So what is your answer there? We have Asya, Matthew, true, 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 John, true. Okay, let's reveal. So 4 over 7 daw po. 7 times 4 over 7 plus 5 equals 9. Cancelled, cancelled ang 7. Anong matira? 4 plus 5. Is 4 plus 5, that is 9, is equals to 9. So that is true. The answer here is true. For a while. So the answer here is true. 5 points ang tama. 2 points naman po ang mali. May tips na din to. May nasagutan na ba lahat? Okay, the answer here is true. So 5 points po tama. Next. 2x minus 5 equals 13. Nasagutan na ba ito? Nasagutan na ba ito, class? 2x minus 5 equals 13. Where x is equals to 4. So 2 times 4. Tapos na. So next, hanap tayo ng iba. Ito po.
Yung 7x, sir.
Yung 7x. Ito. So we have 7x minus 5 equals 16, where x is equals to negative 3. So 7 times negative 3 minus 5 equals 16. What is your answer here? Is it true or false? Tingnan natin. Sino po ang nakasagot dito? Is it true or false? Si Matthew daw po nakasagot siya. True daw sagot niya. Okay, let's reveal. 3 times 7, that is 21. Si 7 positive, si 3 negative. So negative dito kasi magkaiba sila ng sign. Then copy si minus 5 equals 16. Okay, next. Pag negative utang, kapag positive bayad. Meron kang utang na 21, may utang ka pa na 5. So ilan na lahat utang mo? 26. And utang is negative. So they are not equal. In this case, they are not equal. So this is a false statement. Okay? So false po ang sagot dito. Meron pa bang iba? So tapos na ito. Tapos na rin ito. Okay, wala na po. Yun na lang po. So tell me your scores by posting it in our, or sending your scores with solution on our Facebook page at www.facebook.com/umang2021. Okay, I'll be waiting and name it as quiz number 18. So let's continue our lesson for this morning. So today we will be learning about the solving linear equations and inequalities in one variable, day number 2. Still, we are on this lesson. Lesson 1 pa rin, ang haba ng lesson 1. But we now cut it into inequalities, wherein we use graphical method or mag-graph tayo ng inequalities. Kahapon, equations ang graph. Ngayon naman, inequalities. So, what is this all about? I will be showing an example first. So, number 1, sabi po, you are going to graph, I am going to graph rather, x is less than 1. So, using a ruler, you draw a line para i-graph natin siya. Okay? Next, What are the numbers less than? Sabi po dito, x is less than 1. Ano yung mga numbers na less than 1? Sige daw, magbigay ka daw ng example on the chat box, please. Ano daw yung mga numbers na mas mababa kay 1 or less than 1? We have negative 9. Yes, that's true. Tama po si Angeleo. Negative 2 is also less than 1. What else? Negative 100. Yes, negative 8. Halos usually 8 ay negative siya. Tama? What about 0? Less than 1 ba ang 0? Yes or no? Ang 0, less than 1 ba? No? Are you sure? 0, is it less than 1? The answer is yes. Mas mababa, syempre, sa 1 ang 0. Okay. So, yun yung mga numbers na sasagutan natin. We have mas mababa kay 0 ay kay 1, which is, so if this is our 1, mas mababa sa kanya 0, next negative 1, next negative 2, next negative 3, next negative 4. Saan tayo mag-stop? Saan tayo mag-stop? So, pwede na mag-stop dyan sa negative 4 or any number na magkasya sa inyong number line. Okay, next. Okay, you have to make sure na dapat ang linya nyo pantay-pantay, ang spacing pantay-pantay, ang drawing straight line. Okay, next. Saan dyan ang less than 1? Take note, kapag wala pong underline, open po ang gagamitin natin na circle. Okay, nag-draw ako ng circle sa taas, sa 1. Kapag wala pong underline or equal to, like, ang ganyan po ang ginamin ko, pag wala pong underline, open po yan siya. Open po ang circle na isusulat. Tapos, mag-draw agad ng linya papunta sa negative number. Bakit papunta sa negative number? Kasi mas mababa man kay 1. Tama? Ano yung mga mababa kay 1? Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. So, papunta dito ang arrow. So, that is now the answer for number 1. Okay, please copy. Next, number 2. X is greater than 1. You draw a line, then arrow, arrow. Okay, in this case, x is greater than 1. What are the numbers na mas malaki kay 1? You type on the chat box, please. Ano yung mga numbers na mas malaki kay 1? 9, positive 9, positive 3, positive 2, 8, 2. Okay, very good, 7, 11. Okay, madami po. Tama, di ba? Halos lahat ng positive numbers. Now, question ko, kasama ba dyan si 1? Is 1 greater than 1? Yes or no? Is 1 greater than 1? No, 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 no. It's a big no. So the answer there is no. Hindi po pwede maging greater ang 1 kay 1. Kasi equal po sila. Okay? So saan tayo mag-start? Dito tayo mag-start sa number 1. Ano yung mas malaki kay 1? That is 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on and so forth. Kanina, nag-start ako drawing ng 1 dito. Bakit? Kasi less than 1 man. So, kailangan mas mababa na number masulat ko. Ngayon, greater than 1 man siya. So, mas malaki kay 1 ang madrawing ko. Kaya dito ako nag-start. Okay, next. Mag-draw ng circle, tapos arrow papunta sa mga numbers na mas malaki kay 1. And that is the graph of x is greater than 1. Next, copy. Number 3. X is less than or equal to 1. Okay, in this case, meron na tayong or equal na symbol. Ibig sabihin ng or equal na symbol, kasali na ngayon ang 1 dyan. So, draw tayo. Mas mababa daw or pareho kay 1? Mas mababa. So, we have 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and so on and so forth. Next, kasama si 1, naka-underline siya. So, since naka-underline siya, ang circle na gagawin natin shaded. Or naka-close ang tawag dyan. Closed or naka-shade. Take note, naka-underline siya, so naka-shade. Hindi naka-underline, open or hindi shaded. Nakuha? Next, copy number 4. X should be greater than or equal to 1. Okay? So, greater than 1 or equal to 1. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, So, since naka-underline siya, ang isusulat na circle is shaded, then arrow. Okay, that's the answer. Okay, please copy, then type done if you're done. Then we will have your turn activity. Okay, done. Okay, so for your turn activity, I would like you to graph this one. X is less than 5. I would like you to graph X is less than 5. This one, X is less than 5. So you are given 1 minute to graph that one. Your time starts now. Okay, time's up. Let's reveal the answer. So, self-checking lang tayo. X is greater than 5. So, si Asra, nag-drawing siya sa kanyang chat box. Well, anyway, class, sana isa sa maka-invento sa inyo, ano yung chat box na pwede ka mag-drawing. Kasi dito sa Google Meet, hindi talaga maka-drawing dyan. So, X is less than 5. In this case, we are going to graph that one. You draw the line first. Then arrow. Arrow. What are the numbers less than 5? We have 4. So we have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, -1, -2, and so on and so forth. So hanggang sa magkasya lang po. So ipagpantay lahat ng linya kung sobra para hindi magmali. Okay? So next. So 5. Dito sa 5, is it shaded or not? Shaded ba or open?
Not.
I-type shaded ba siya or open?
Open, sir.
Yes, we are going to open it. Tapos ng open, okay, lagyan ng arrow. O, hindi ko akong arrow. Okay, to the right. Okay, that's less than 5. Imagine na lang na straight ang drawing ko. So, check your own paper in the note, in your notebook. Check, lagyan lang ng isang check para tama. Okay? So, allow me to erase this one in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, next. What if naman, ang example natin, hindi ganun. Like, hindi greater than 5 lang or greater than 1 lang. Meron pa siyang plus 2. So, take a look at this. In this case, una mong gagawin is isosolve mo na siya. So, we have x plus 2 less than 5. Isosolve mo muna bago mo siya graph. So, ganito. Lahat ng variables nasa left side, lahat ng numbers nasa right side. So, x will remain here. Si 5 ilipat natin to sa kabila, magiging minus 2 na siya. Okay? So, x is greater than 5 minus 2, that is 3. And that is now the time that you are going to graph it. So, greater than 3. What are the numbers greater than 3? We have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on and so forth. Okay? So, yan po. So, i-graph agad. Open siya dahil wala siyang underline. Then, arrow. That's the answer. Okay? Please copy for example number 1. Then, you will do the your turn activity. For your turn, this is your inequality. X plus 5 less than 1. For your turn activity, you are going to answer x plus 5 less than 1. So sabi daw po ni Asnya, that's x should be negative 4. Sabi naman po ni Ayan, that is also negative 4. So let's find out. Others please, we are 15 all in all. I'm expecting at marami pong magsagot. So I'll give you more time. That's positive 4 daw according to Ayan. Agelio is negative 4. May arrow si Matthew Madaya. Pero wala siyang number nalagay. Arrow lang. It's negative 4 from Matthew. Asral got it also negative 4. Okay, si Asnya, wow, na-drawing niya. Galing ni Asnya, na-drawing niya, class. Na-drawing niya sa chat box. Antoinette, negative 4. Angel, Asnya, negative 4. So let's have it. Reveal the answer. X plus 5 greater than. So the given is x plus 5 greater than 1. So solve muna tayo. Bring down x, si 5, magiging 1. From positive 5, magiging minus 5 na siya. So next, 1 minus 4, that is negative 3. Oops, bakit 4? 1 minus 5, brother, that is negative 4. So ito na yung i-graph natin. So let's draw the line. So we have, oops, wala. Tiko ang aking line. I did not use the lulel. Use the lulel. So, negative 4. Mas malaki daw kay negative 4. Negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1. Okay? So, next, gagawa kayo dito ng negative 4. Then, arrow to the right. Okay? Ganyan po mag-graph kapag negative number. Okay? So, ano po yung mas malaki kay negative? Hindi po negative 5 ang mas malaki sa kanya. Hindi po negative 3. Paatras po. Pa-positive po. Kapag mas malaki sa negative. Okay? So, let's raise it in 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, next. What about letter B? This letter B, negative 8 greater than or equal to x minus 5. In this case, si x po nasa right. Di ba dapat nasa left siya? So, ililipat natin siya. From positive x, ilipat natin sa kabila, magiging negative x. Itong 8 naman, from negative, ilipat sa kabila, magiging positive 8. Then, copy minus 5. Okay? So we have negative x greater than or equal to 8 minus 5, that is 3. Take note, meron siyang negative dyan. So invisible negative 1 yan siya. So i-divide mo din sa kabila. Erase x. Now, nag-divide ka ngayon ng negative. Pag mag-divide ka ng negative, mag-change ang symbol. Tandaan mo ha, pag mag-divide ka ng negative, mag-change ang symbol. 3 divided by 1, that is 3 also. Kaso lang, negative man sa baba, so negative din yung isusulat mo dyan. Next, let's do the graph. So, mas mababa kay negative 3. So, it is negative 3. Mas mababa daw, negative 2, negative 1. Oops, mali. Mas mababa kay negative 3. Mali. Negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7. Nalito ako, class. So, kung mas mababa sa negative 3, so, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7. Nakuha? So, this is negative 3. Then, underline man siya dito or greater than or less than or equal to, so i-shade natin siya. Then, we put the arrow. Okay? So, please copy, then your turn tayo na activity. Okay, copy now, then type done if you're done. Okay, nakakalito lang mag-graph kasi yung negative 3, paano natin malaman kung mas malaki siya? Pag mas malaki, basta negative ang number gani, pag greater than ang hinahanap natin, papunta siya ng 0. Pero kung less than naman siya, tapos negative number siya, palabas siya ng 0. Okay, yun yung tandaan nyo. Type done if you're done. Okay, your turn na, your turn. This is your given. Sulat ko dito sa taas ha. Negative 7 less than or equal to x minus 1. Okay, negative 7 greater than or equal to x minus 1. Okay, start. You're given 3 minutes to do that one. Your time starts now. Okay, allow me to erase it in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Two minutes lang ako. Okay, what is now your x? If you have your answer, you may post it on the chat box. Okay, time's up. So, let's have it. Meron na ba kayong sagot? Wala pa rin po. Sige lang, I will help you. So, extension, more 1 minute. So, ilipat lamang po ang x dyan. So, pag nilipat from positive x, magiging negative x. Copy the sign. Ito naman pong si negative 7, ilipat din sa kabila. So, magiging positive 7 na siya. Okay? Continue answering daw. So, magiging negative x. 7 minus 1, that is 6. Kapag mag-divide ka ng negative 1, mag-change yung inequality. So, what will be the x here? 6 divided by negative 1, what will be the answer? Anyone? Please type on the chat box. Kay Aswal, nakagawa siya, negative 1. Is it negative 1? Kay Asya, negative 1. Okay, negative 1 po ang sagot nila. 6 divided by negative 1, take note of this. 6 divided by negative 1. It should be, tama po Ajeleo, negative 6. Sige daw, yun yung i-graph ninyo, yung negative 6. Mas maliit daw kay negative 6. So that is negative 7, negative 8, negative 9, negative 10. Okay, sige daw, i-graph nyo daw siya. This is negative 6, negative 5, negative 7, negative 8, negative 9, negative 10. Mas maliit daw kay negative 6. Okay? So if you're going to graph it, dito kayo mag-negative 6 mag-start, then shaded siya kasi merong equals. Then papunta dyan. Okay, that is now the answer. Tingnan natin kay Matthew ang sagot niya. Nag-start siya sa negative 6. Okay, negative 6 po. Tama po, negative 6. Okay, very good. Marunong na kayo. So, let's do the game number 2 now. For the game number 2, this is a spin the wheel. You are just going to select, I think, for a while, you are just going to select, 4 questions out of 8. 4 lamang po ang i-spin ninyo. Then, you name it as quiz number 19. That's 20 over 20. Complete solution po, recorded po ito. So, 5 points ang tama, 3 points naman po ang mali. Rather, 2 points. 2 points ang mali. Complete solution po, spin the wheel. I'll be sending the link for 30 seconds. Just give me 30 seconds. Then we will check that one for the remaining 5 minutes of the class. This activity will last for 15 minutes. Okay, the game number 2 will be posted also on your GC so that you could answer it anytime kapag maubos na ang oras. Okay, start now. You are given 15 minutes to answer that one. Apat lang po, Astral. Apat lang po ang piliin. So sa apat na yun po yung sasagutan. Apat lang po ang piliin. So sa apat na yun, kung lima po ang nasagutan ninyo, pili lang po dyan ng apat. Okay, so you have 11 minutes left.
Tapos na po ako, sir.
Done na po ako, sir.
May natapos na po. Last 7 minutes. Okay, last 4 minutes. Okay, for the rest of the 5 minutes, just rest your eyes. Maybe you could continue this one next meeting. Okay, please turn on your cameras for the attendance this morning. Okay. Please turn on your cameras now. Pearl. Okay. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and smile. Okay, goodbye everyone. I hope you enjoy our class today.
Much, sir.
Bye po, sir. Thank you po.